Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn English grammar. From that grammar, we are going to see modal auxiliaries, that is, modal verbs. Modals or modal auxiliaries are helping verbs that we use before main verb in sentence. Words such as can, may, will, shall, must are some modal verbs. They expressed ability, possibility, request, permission, suggestion, necessity, obligation, and intention. From these modal auxiliaries, two examples I gave to you, that is informal can I borrow your pen for a minute, or can I speak to John Wilson? This is the example of informal modal, that is can. Then informal situation, may I ask a question please? May we know whom now? These are the two examples of modal auxiliaries. Some more auxiliaries are there, like could, might, would, should are other modal verbs. So we are going to see could. We use it in polite sentence. Could I please have a glass of beer? Could I open the window? Here in this rectangle, I gave you four modal verbs which and when we are going to use. Can we are going to see we used in informal situation, could in polite situation, like that. May also we use in formal situation, and would for polite situation. So sentences are given, you can read their sentence and copy. Then here examples of modal verbs and sentences are given for your understanding. In the first, we know that can and could is used. David can speak 3 languages. He could speak fluent French when he was 5th. Can, could and may in next. Can I sit in that chair please? Could I open the window? May I borrow your dictionary? Then should. You should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You should try to lose weight. So these are the examples. Next, must and have to. I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. You have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. Might, may, would, can. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. So these are the examples of modal verbs and sentences. I hope you can make yourself sentences like this. Here modals and its use with examples is given to you. You can stop this image, you can zoom this video, means that image, and write. The next question, make questions with these models. One is given to you. Should we talk to principal about the cleanliness drive? So you are going to make use of may, can, would, will, would in models questions. Then you are going to choose the correct models from the bracket. To complete these sentences, first is ducks dash dash swim well because they have webbed feet. In bracket can and could is there. You can select one model from that and you can write answer. So other 8 are going to solve by you. I hope you understand modal verbs and their use, how they are used. Till next video, bye bye. Take share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel Deepa Jadhav Daffodils. Bye bye.